Now let's move on to the next section of this exercise where I'm going to discuss short questions and answers. The first question is, what was the time when the boy tried to snatch the purse of the woman? The answer is, the boy Roger snatched the purse of the woman at about 11 o'clock at night. The second question is, what happened to the boy when he tried to snatch the purse? The answer is, when Roger, the boy, tried to snatch the purse from the woman, the strap of the purse broke as he pulled it. His own weight combined with the weight of the purse made him lose his balance, as a result of which he fell on his back on the sidewalk and his legs flew up. The third question is, what was the reaction of the woman? The answer is, when the incident occurred, the woman turned around and kicked the boy on his back in anger. Then she picked him up by his shirt front and shook him until his teeth rattled. However, when he apologized later, she dragged him home, but treated him with love and kindness as she asked him to wash his face, served him dinner and some money as well. This treatment of hers made the boy ashamed of his wrongdoing. The fourth question is, what was the conduct of the people when they saw the incident? The answer is, the conduct of the people passing by was kind of indifferent. They were silent spectators of the incident. 2 to 3 of them passed by, while some stopped, turned to look, and others stood to watch. The fifth question is, how did the boy look physically? The answer is, the boy looked as if he was 14 or 15 years old. He has been portrayed as a frail and a willow-wild boy wearing blue jeans and tennis shoes. The next question is, what was the condition of the boy when the woman gave him a few jerks? The answer is, the boy was nervous when the woman gave him a few jerks. Sweat popped out on his face and he began to struggle. After giving him a few jerks, Mrs. Jones put a Nelson around his neck, so he was terrified that she was going to send him to jail. The seventh question is, why did the woman ask the boy to wash his face? The answer is, the woman asked Roger to wash his face because she considered him like his son and wanted to make him look presentable. She wanted to reform his personality by teaching him the principles of health and hygiene and good conduct. The next question is, why did not the boy run from the house of the woman? The answer is, the boy did not run from the house of the woman because the polite and motherly attitude of Mrs. Jones made him realize that she was a kind-hearted lady. Moreover, she had trusted him and he did not want to be mistrusted. Next question is, why did not the woman watch the boy while preparing a dish? The answer is, the woman did not watch the boy while preparing a dish because she wanted to indicate that she trusted him. She did not pay attention to the boy deliberately, as she had realized that her polite treatment and trust would bring out a positive change in the thoughts and would reform his character. The last question is, what was the nature of the woman's job? The answer is, Mrs. Jones told the boy that she worked in a hotel beauty shop that stayed open till late at night. She offered hairdressing services to all the different kinds of women, including blondes, redheads, and Spanish who came there. So here we are done with the short question and answers. I hope you have understood this very well. Thank you.